Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I got two items that I want to bring to your attention. Earlier in the day I created a video where they have promotions on the deep impact socket, and here we go. Amazon, we have the shallow. It is also deep, it's also impact socket as well. So this one, it's their brand name is ARCAN Professional Tools, and this is 3/8 inch shallow impact. It's metric, which is the one that I like, and it's 7mm all the way to 19, and it has a total of 13 pieces. This one regular price is $22.69, and now currently we can get it for $12.60, which is really cheap. Okay, as you can see from the rating, it's 4.5 out of 5, which is good. Wow, that looks like very durable. Let's see if we go on the very bottom and to see if it is a lifetime's warranty. Oh, here it is. It is warranted against defects in materials and workmanship for the life of the product, which is excellent, guys. Just for $12.60, I don't think you can go wrong with that. The next item that I have is this Samsung micro SD card. Regular price is $27.99, and currently we can get it for $16.99. This type of card is good for surveillance camera, dash cam. So I do have that in my vehicle as well as my home. I use it for my wife's camera, and in my dash cam I use one of this endurance. Okay, so $17 for 128 gigabyte. Most of the dash cam probably you don't. 128 is overkill, as well as security camera. But hey, you know, for $17, and you know this Samsung is a brand name, and as you get from the reviews, 5 stars out of 5, and it has over 18,000 reviews. So that's it pretty much for today. Already I've made I think about 3 videos already in one day. That's more than what I usually do. So if you guys like the videos, the savings, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, and if you guys have any suggestions, comment, please leave in the section below. Other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.